friends, this is Akshay Sharma from Genius Classes. Friends, how are you? I hope you are quite well at your palace. Friends, today we shall discuss about differentiation, which is a largest topic of your mathematics of 12th. Friends, it is very important topic because many other topics also depend on this topic. Friends, let us start. There are many functions in this topic you will learn, like logarithmic function, trigonometric function, inverse trigonometric function, implicit function, parametric function, and so on. So first I am taking a polynomial function using first rule. Rule 1. In rule 1 you will learn how to find the derivative of a polynomial function. D by dx of x raised to the power n. Any function which is in this form, the derivative of that function will be, first you will take n in the multiply of x, that is n into x, and after that you will subtract 1 from the power, that is n minus 1. Friends, I hope you are understanding. Now I am taking an example of this polynomial function. Example 1. Derivative of dy dx of x raised to the power, I take 9. The derivative of this function will be, first you will take the power into, that is 9x, and after that you will subtract 1 from that power. Therefore derivative of this function will be 9x raised to the power 8, because 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. This is the derivative of this polynomial function. I am taking next example. Example 2. Find the dy dx of x raised to the power 3 plus 2x square plus 1. We have to find the derivative of this function, which is a polynomial function. Let us find its derivative. Dy dx of first function, that is x cube, plus dy dx of second function, that is 2x square, plus dy dx of third function, that is constant function, and the derivative of constant function always be 0. So the derivative of this function will be, here power is 3, so its derivative will be 3x 3 minus 1 plus derivative of this function will be 2, which is constant as it is, into derivative of x square will be 2 into x raised to the power 2 minus 1 plus, this is a constant function and the derivative of constant function is 0, that is 0. So derivative of this function will be equal to 3x raised to the power 2 plus 2 to the 4 x raised to the power 2 minus 1, that is 1 plus 0, and this can be written as 3x square plus 4x, which is the derivative of this polynomial function. Students, I hope you are getting my points. Now I am taking next rule of derivative. Let us learn about the next rule of derivative, that is rule number 2. In second rule, when two functions are in product form, that is, you can say dy dx of u into v. Here two functions are in product form. The derivative of so type will be first function, this is first function and this is the second function. So you will write the first function as it is into derivative of second function, that is v, plus second function as it is into derivative of first function, that is u. This is called product rule. Students, this is called product rule. I am taking an example of this rule. Example 1. Sin x dy dx of sin x into x square. Here we are looking, there are two functions. Sin x is the first function and x square is the second function. How we can find the derivative of this function? Let us learn. We have learnt about the product rule, that is first function as it is into derivative second plus second function as it is into derivative of first. So we will apply the product rule here. First function as it is, that is sin x, first function as it is, into derivative of second function, that is x square, plus second function as it is, that is x square, into derivative of first function, derivative of first function, that is sin x. This will be equal to first function as it is, like sin x, into derivative of x square. We have learnt about this rule. Derivative of x square will be 2 into x raised to the power 2 minus 1. That will be 2x, because 2 minus 1, that is 1. Sin x into derivative of x square will be 2x, plus second function as it is into derivative of first, that is sin x, and derivative of sin x will be cos x. So students, this can be written as 2 sin x, 2x into sin x, plus x square into cos x. Friends, from here we can take common x, that is x into 2 sin x plus x into cos x. This is the derivative of our function sin x into x square using the product rule. Students, I hope you are getting my points. I am taking next example of product rule. The next example of product rule. Students, I tell you, it is a very important topic and a big topic. Second example of product rule. dy dx of x minus 1 into x cube plus 1. We have to find the derivative of x minus 1 into x cube plus 1. Here we are looking, there are two functions, x minus 1 is the first function and x cube plus 1 is the second function. So here we will apply the product rule, that is first function as it is into derivative of second function plus second function as it is into derivative of first function. Let us do it. That will be equal to first function as it is, x minus 1 as it is, into derivative of second function, that is x cube plus 1. First as it is into derivative of second function plus second as it is, that is x cube plus 1, into derivative of first function, that is x minus 1, that is x minus derivative of first function, that is derivative of x minus 1. I hope you are getting my point, students. The next step will be equal to first as it is derivative second plus second as it is derivative first, that will be equal to x minus 1 into derivative of this function will be, derivative of this function will be 3x square plus 0 because it is constant function. Next plus x cube plus 1 into derivative of this function. The derivative of this function will be, here this is x and the derivative of x always be 1 and this is constant minus 1, therefore its derivative will be 0. Okay, this will be equal to, students, x minus 1 into 3x square plus here x cube plus 1 into 1 minus 0, that is 1. So you can write it like 3x cube into x, that will be 3x cube minus 3x square into 1, that is 3x square, and plus here it will be same because it is multiplied by 1, therefore the number will be itself x cube plus 1. And here we are looking this term and this term are the same term, so you can add them. 3x cube plus x cube, that is 4x cube minus 3x square plus 1. This will be the derivative of this function. Friends, I hope you are getting my points. Now I am going to take the next rule of derivative. Let us learn about the next rule. Rule number 3. Rule number 3. When dy dx of u upon v, when you get an equation in the form of u upon v, then you will find the derivative of that function using quotient rule. Let us learn what is quotient rule. In any equation which is in the form of u upon v, in that equation you will solve denominator as it is, into derivative of denominator as it is into derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is into derivative of denominator upon square of denominator. This is called quotient rule. Let us do again. If any quotient is in the form of u upon v, then its derivative will be denominator as it is into derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is into derivative of denominator upon the square of denominator. I am taking the example of quotient rule. Let us learn example of quotient rule. I am taking dy dx of x plus 1 upon x square plus 2x minus 1. We have to find the derivative of this quotient, which is in the form of u upon v. Friends, I hope you are understanding. Let us do this quotient using quotient rule. That is equal to, in quotient rule, denominator as it is. Here denominator is x square plus 2x minus 1 and the numerator is x plus 1. So its derivative will be denominator as it is, that is x square plus 2x minus 1, denominator as it is into derivative of numerator, that is x plus 1 minus numerator as it is, that is x plus 1 into derivative of denominator, that is x square plus 2x minus 1. It will be equal to x square plus 2x minus 1 into derivative of x plus 1. That will be derivative of x will be 1 and derivative of 1 will be 0. Next, minus x plus 1 into derivative of x square plus 2x minus 1 will be, derivative of x square will be 2x plus derivative of 2x will be 2 and derivative of minus 1 will be 0. Can't need here to write 0. Next will be here 1 plus 0, that is 1, and when we multiply x square plus 2x minus 1 by 1, then we will get the same number, that is x square plus 2x minus 1 minus x plus 1 into 2x plus 2. That will be equal to x square plus 2x minus 1 minus the product of this and this function will be 2x into x, that is 2x square plus 2x, 2 into x, that is 2x, 1 into 2x plus 2x, 1 into 2, that is 2. So this will be equal to x square plus 2x minus 1 minus 2x square minus 2x 4x minus 4x and minus 2, and this will be equal to, here x square is positive and here 2x square is negative. Therefore, when we add them, then we will get a minus x square, and here 2x is positive and minus 4x is negative. Therefore, here will be minus 2x, and minus 1 that is minus 3. This will be the derivative of your this function which is in the form of u upon v. I hope students you are getting, you are understanding these examples. I am taking one more example of Poisson rule. Let us take one more example of Poisson rule. Friends, this is very important topic for you because 4 or 5 chapter of your books depend on this topic. One more example. I am taking dy dx of x square minus 1 upon 2x. This question is in the form of u upon v. So here we shall apply the Poisson rule. That is first function as it is in denominator as it is into derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is into derivative of denominator upon square of denominator. Let us do. This will be equal to denominator as it is. It means 2x as it is into derivative of numerator, that is x square minus 1. Denominator as it is into derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is, that is x square minus 1 into derivative of denominator, that is 2x. Its derivative will be 2x and derivative 2x into derivative of this function will be 2x minus 0. 2x minus 0, because derivative of x square will be 2x, like dy dx of 2x into x raised to the power 2 minus 1, that will be equal to 2x raised to the power 1. Here 1 and need not write. 2x into 2x minus 0 minus x square minus 1 into derivative of 2x will be 2 into 2, and this will be equal to 2x into 2x, that is 4x square minus 0 minus 2 into x square, that is 2x square, 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, and this will be equal to, sorry students, denominator as it is into derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is into derivative of denominator upon square of denominator, that is square of 2x. This will be equal to 2x into derivative of this function will be 2x minus 0 minus x square minus 1 into derivative of this function will be 2 upon square of 2x, that is 2x into 2x, that will be equal to 4x square upon 4x square, not 2x. Next step will be 2x into 2x, that is 4x square minus 2 into x square, that is 2x square, and minus 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2.